Welcome to yet another episode in this series in which we interview EHEDG company members, particularly food equipment suppliers, about how they integrate hygienic design in their business development strategies, since hygienic design products have become a very interesting business niche. And with us today is Jimmy Moens. He's the product manager, plate and tubular heat exchangers at EHEDG Company Member Tetra Pak. Thanks for joining us. Since when has Tetra Pak been developing heat exchangers, and how significant, how important is this product line for your company?
Yeah, so just to start, heat exchangers are extremely important in Tetra Pak, not only as a standalone unit to heat up product or cool down product, but also as the heart of the process of our Tetra Pak modules, such as pasteurizers, for example. And of course, also in our entire end-to-end solutions for complete processing lines. Tetra Pak has been a supplier for heat exchangers since many years, actually since the 80s, when we acquired the tubular heat exchanger. And besides tubular heat exchangers, we have a full scope of plate heat exchangers, scrape surface heat exchangers, and coiled heat exchangers.
What would you say is Tetra Pak's vision on hygienic design in general, and particularly related to your business development strategy?
Well, as our Tetra Pak's vision is protects what's good. This clearly shows that we are committed to make food safe and available everywhere. This is also making sure that our customers can produce food in a safe way. This also means that our strategy basically continues to drive hygienic design forward in our heat exchanger designs. And beside hygienic needs, we are also highlighting to our customers that we can offer to help them to lower the energy bill by saving electricity costs, for example, with all our Tetra Pak key components.
Can you give us an idea of what your customers are looking for? What are their customer needs, and how have these needs evolved over the years?
In the past, let's say 20 years ago, our customers were buying their pasteurizers with a certain level of regeneration. So that means that you reuse the heat or the energy that you put into the product to get it pasteurized or UHT treated. In the meantime, times have changed, right? Electricity has become very expensive, as well as gas prices. I mean, I don't have to tell you, this is all over. So this is one more thing that we have been focusing on in the past, and it was not always that easy to convey the customers. But in these days, it gets much more interesting. If you have a higher regeneration, for example, on those types of equipment, it will have a lower payback time, and you will save basically every hour on steam cost and electricity costs at the same time. So this is a trendy topic, and it's something we have been focusing on for quite many years, and it gets more actual within our portfolio almost, you can say, today.
What exactly is the role of EHEDG certification in this product and business development strategy of yours?
In fact, this is a bit how our journey began. When I was a salesperson, a sales manager in the past, I was visiting a customer in the Netherlands, and even though they had a lot of Tetra Pak heat exchangers, they liked them very much, so that was good. They could also share with me that they no longer had internal approval to go for a non-EHEDG certified equipment. So this meant we had to start looking into what needs to be done.
What is the value of these EHEDG certificates for you, for your company? Can you use the certificates as a unique selling point?
It's an additional level to our customers to say, okay, you don't have to believe us. You can take the EHEDG certification as a proof that the unit is cleanable and is EHEDG certified from that point of view.
Now, you recently developed a quite innovative new hygienic design tubular heat exchanger, and that product has been EHEDG certified. How did you experience this development process, and what would you like EHEDG to start offering in the future?
Yeah, so while working with the EHEDG Institute, in this case, I can for sure share that it has been an intensive and also a very constructive journey with the EHEDG Institute and the EHEDG authorized officer to get our tubular heat exchanger modules EHEDG certified. when it comes to the future, I think we would like to see EHEDG to expand its offerings, its certifications, also into other products where today the rules might not be completely applicable. So, for example, because I'm into heat exchangers, as you know, I'm thinking also about plate heat exchangers, and if we can look at some way forward to study the possibilities to look at the rules on EHEDG certification for those kind of equipment, for example.
So within the EHEDG community, Tetra Pak has a long-standing reputation of being a very active contributor to new guideline development and so on. Why does your company decide to do that, to send their staff to EHEDG to exchange knowledge?
So, and that I think goes together, right? Like you say, Rob, it's consisting of people that are part of this community. And in that way, I think it's the only way forward to work together.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mons, for this interview.
Thank you.
Now, if you're also interested to hear the perspective of the engineers regarding this new hygienic design certified, EHEDG certified product of Tetra Pak, well, then stay tuned, because in the upcoming days, we are going to publish another interview with the developers. We call them the hygienic design innovators in another series of interviews. So stay tuned and stay safe.